Choosing the right snowblower isn't always easy. Low power, weak airflow, short battery life, and bulky designs can make winter cleanup frustrating. That's where modern electric snowblowers and turbo air blowers come in. They're compact, powerful, and versatile enough to handle snow, dust, leaves, and even water removal. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best snowblowers you can buy right now. Perfect for home use, outdoor cleaning, and quick winter tasks. We analyzed features, performance, and user feedback to build this list. Check the description for updated prices and links. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.
Number 5. NEWBENY Double-Sided Air Intake Electric Blower. The NEWBENY electric air blower stands out with its double-sided air intake design, delivering improved airflow and efficiency for snow, dust, and leaf removal. Its 270-degree rotatable body allows flexible positioning, making it easy to clean tight corners or outdoor surfaces. Designed for Makita-compatible batteries, it offers cordless convenience and portability. The compact build makes it perfect for home use, garages, and light outdoor tasks. Whether clearing light snow or blowing debris, this tool offers a reliable and user-friendly experience.
Number 4. Rddspon 3000-watt brushless high-power blower. The Rddspon 3000-watt blower is built for users who need serious power in a handheld design. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers strong airflow with better efficiency and longer lifespan. Its high-speed turbofan can handle snow removal, dust cleaning, and even drying surfaces quickly. Compatible with Makita batteries, it ensures cordless operation for easy mobility. Despite its power, the ergonomic design keeps it comfortable to use. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor cleaning, this blower combines performance with convenience.
Number 3. YOFIDRA 2-in-1 3000-watt turbo air blower. The YOFIDRA 2-in-1 turbo blower offers versatility and power in one compact tool. With a 3000-watt brushless motor, it generates strong airflow suitable for snow, leaves, and dust removal. The dual-function design allows it to work as both a blower and cleaning tool, making it highly practical. It supports Makita 18-volt batteries, giving you cordless freedom for outdoor tasks. Built with durability in mind, this device is great for home maintenance, garages, and quick snow clearing jobs.
Number 2. 1 million RPM turbojet blower. This high-speed turbojet blower is designed for extreme performance, reaching up to 1 million RPM for powerful airflow. It easily removes snow, water, dust, and debris from various surfaces. With a wind speed of up to 65 meters per second, it delivers impressive cleaning force in a compact body. The USB charging feature adds modern convenience, making it easy to recharge anywhere. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for quick cleanups, car drying, and small snow removal tasks where speed and efficiency matter most of all.
Number 1. 220-volt industrial high-power storm blower. The 220-volt industrial storm blower takes the top spot with its unmatched power and performance. Built for heavy-duty use, it features a high-power motor capable of clearing snow, leaves, and dust with ease. Its strong electric airflow ensures fast and efficient cleaning across large areas. Designed for durability, it's perfect for workshops, outdoor spaces, and demanding environments. While it requires a direct power source, the consistent performance makes it the best choice for users who need maximum strength and reliability.
If you need a powerful and efficient solution for snow and debris removal, these electric blowers are excellent choices. From compact cordless models to heavy-duty industrial options, there's something for every need. Pick the one that fits your usage and stay prepared for any season. Like, share, and subscribe for more.